Hey guys, welcome to English Test World. Let's start. Question 1. I interested politics. Do in, am in, am at. I am interested in politics. Question 2. When didn't, time, did the program begin? The correct answer is did. When did the program begin? Question 3. Sally gave to them, them some presents. The correct answer is them. Question 4. Why does she drive so good, bad, fast? The answer is fast. Why does she drive so fast? Question 5. She gets at the bus, on the bus, to the bus at 7 o'clock. She gets on the bus at 7 o'clock. Question 6. Excuse me, how can I go to the city center, get to the city center, got to the city center? How can I get to the city center? Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you. Question 7. I will go to the concert if I can. Get a ticket, get a ticket, getting a ticket. The correct answer is get. Question 8. She got on the car, in the car, out the car, and waited. She got in the car and waited. Question 9. Where was he when you saw him? He was at school, to school, to the school. He was at school. Question 10. Our teacher seems nicely, terrible, beautifully. The correct answer is terrible. Our teacher seems terrible. Congratulations, the exam is over. Please comment your score for me. Thank you, bye-bye.